I believe Vinit Kumar Misra. Welcome you in our Hindi class. And today we are going to learn compound postposition. Let me tell you, the compound postposition are two-word postposition. In previous classes, we have learned simple postposition. Simple postpositions were one-word postposition. So today we are learning compound postposition. Two-word postposition. So two-word postpositions are, for example, x के पास. x के पास means to have. To have. x के साथ is with x. x के लिए, x के लिए is for x. x के बाद would be after x. x के पीछे, x के पीछे is behind x. x के सामने, x के सामने, this is in front of x. x के अलावा, x के अलावा, x के अलावा, apart from x, apart from x, x के यहाँ at the place of x, then we have x के और से पहले, before x. There are so many compound postpositions, but let us learn these compound postpositions. They are very useful in daily life. So x के पास to have, x के साथ with x, x के लिए for x, x के बाद after x, x के पीछे behind x, x के सामने in front of x, x के अलावा apart from x, x के यहाँ at the place of x. Let's do x के नीचे under x, x के ऊपर above x. So these are the compound postpositions. Now question, how do they use with the different pronoun? You know, we have already seen the changes of simple postposition with the pronoun. Now how these compound postpositions work with the pronoun? So here we are learning pronoun plus compound postposition. So pronoun, if you are taking मैं plus के पास, this change to मेरे पास. This मेरे पास means I have. Then we have हम प्लस के पास, this हम प्लस के पास change to हमारे पास, which means we have. Then we have तुम plus के पास, this turns to तुम्हारे पास, which is you have informal. This is informal. तुम is informal. So these three are irregular. मेरे, हमारे and तुम्हारे. Rest we have already done the oblique and then के पास. So if you see आप plus के पास, this become आपके पास, you have formal, you have formal. Then we have ये informal and near plus के पास, ये informal near plus के पास, this turns into is. Do you remember oblique of ये is is? So this ये turns to is and then you add के पास. Rest would be oblique pronoun plus के पास. Let's have another example. वो is informal and far plus के पास, this become उस plus के पास, उसके पास. He has, she has, informal far. Then we have formal near. ये formal near plus के पास, this turns to oblique of formal ये is in plus के पास. Formal near, he had, she has, this has. Formal near. Then we have way. Formal far plus के पास, this become उन. Oblique of way is उन plus के पास, उनके पास. He had, she has, they have. Then we have con. Con means who. Who plus के पास, the oblique of con that's turned into किस plus के पास. किसके पास? Who has. Then we have कोई. कोई is someone or anyone. Someone, anyone. This कोई turns into किसी. Oblique of कोई become किसी plus के पास. Someone has, anyone has. For all the plural we change to on. For example, if you say आप लोग plus के पास, this turns to आप लोगों के पास. You people have. हम लोग प्लस के पास become हम लोगों के पास. तुम लोग प्लस के पास become तुम लोगों के पास. ये लोग प्लस के पास become इन लोगों के पास. Because oblique of a is in. Same way, वे लोग कि प्लस के पास, वे लोग means those people. That change to उन लोगों के पास. So these are the way of changing this pronoun with the compound postposition. Always remember, not only these के पास, all these compound postposition के पास, के साथ, के लिए, के बाद, के पीछे, के सामने, के अलावा, all these will be used in the same way. So for example, if you say another example, मैं प्लस के साथ, this मैं प्लस के साथ, मैं प्लस के साथ, this turns to मेरे साथ, मेरे साथ. Same way, हम प्लस के साथ become हमारे साथ, तुम प्लस के साथ, तुम्हारे साथ, आप प्लस के साथ, आपके साथ, ये प्लस के साथ, इसके साथ. We are replacing के पास by के साथ. All these will be in the same way. So तुम प्लस के साथ, तुम्हारे साथ, आप प्लस के साथ, आपके साथ, ये प्लस के साथ, इसके साथ, वो इनफॉर्मल फार प्लस के साथ, उसके साथ, ये फॉर्मल नियर प्लस के साथ, इनके साथ, वे फॉर्मल फॉर प्लस के साथ, दैट बिकम उनके साथ, कौन चेंज टू किसके साथ, कोई किसी के साथ, आप लोग प्लस के साथ, आप लोगों के साथ. So all these compound postposition will be used in the same way. I hope these are helpful for you, and thank you so much. If you are enjoying our classes, please do not forget to subscribe it. See you in the next class.